Good afternoon. Wonderful, wonderful. Well, welcome to Math, Computer Science, and Physics departmental graduation fall 2024. My name is Dr. Chinenye Ofodile. I serve as the chair of the mathematics of the Department of Math, Computer Science, and Physics. Today we are celebrating our wonderful graduates. We have 14 students graduating with a Bachelor's of Science in Mathematics and Computer Science. In addition, we have 6 students graduating with their associate's degrees in a combination of computer science and also mathematics. So we are celebrating our graduates. Today is their day. First, want to thank all parents, loved ones who were able to play a big, intricate role in assisting and making sure that this day happens. The official graduation for our students will take place tomorrow in the Civic Center. For a bachelor's program, it's from 10 to 12, and for associate's program, it's from 2 to 4. And so, in addition to celebrating our graduates tomorrow, we want to recognize them and definitely make sure that they are rewarded for all their accomplishments throughout their career here at Albany State University. So without further ado, I will continue with the program, and we'll hand the program over to our interim provost, Dr. Rhonda Porter.
Good afternoon, and congratulations to the fall 2024 graduates. Let's give them a hand. To all of you in the audience, our new graduates or prospective graduates, new math, computer science, and physics professionals, parents, grandparents, spouses, children, relatives, friends, faculty, staff, and administrators. ASU is indeed unsinkable and indestructible. We all stand strong together, and we will remain an immovable force in education for years to come. From the Office of Academic Affairs and all faculty, I would like to thank you for attending this memorable occasion, one which we should celebrate to the highest. You all are getting the most coveted STEM degree. Your opportunities are limitless. You can do and be anything you want. So just go out and be great. At this ceremony, you are being celebrated by your whole department. These faculty and staff members will continue to mentor you and provide professional support to you throughout your careers. Not only the department, you now have the support of the entire ASU family. You have cabinet members here, you have the dean here. We're all here to support you. I want to offer you words of encouragement as you embark upon the next step in your life. All things may not come easy, but you are prepared. You have built up stamina at ASU. When things didn't always go your way, or you didn't get the grade that you wanted, you refocused, regrouped, and persevered. And that, indeed, is worth celebrating. I have a quick story I would like to share. The editor of Prentice Hall Business Books in 1957 was given a manuscript to review. The manuscript dealt with the science behind data processing. What year did I say? 1957, okay? Well, the editor responded to the author with the following comment. I have traveled the length and breadth of this country and talked to the best people, and I can assure you that data processing is a fad that won't last out the year. So boy, was he wrong. The editor probably shattered the dream of the up-and-coming data scientist. But like you, the data scientist persevered. Don't let anyone or anything stop you from getting your dream. As you go into the world to do great things, remember the good times. The good times most definitely outweigh the bad times. Remember the late night studies, your favorite or not so favorite instructors, your good friends, but please remember your beloved ASU. Give back in terms of your time, your treasure, and your talents. And don't stop there. Plan and prepare to go get the next degree. There's a lot more out there for you. Just a few reminders. Commencement is tomorrow. Be safe tonight. Complete your graduation survey. And again, I want to just thank you for entrusting your education to us. You could have chosen any other place, but you chose us, and I personally want to thank you for that. The faculty, staff, and administrators did their parts, and you did your part. And together, we are successful. And you are a golden ram. Go Rams.
Little self-promotion there, all right. So as Dr. Ofodile mentioned, my name's Melanie Hatch. Now, as the Dean of the College of Arts and Sciences, I must say that I love all of my students equally. However, I also moonlight as a professor of mathematics. And as a professor of mathematics, you guys are my favorite. So I have a few words of wisdom for you on the eve of your graduation. It's a poem that I entitled, "'Twas the Night Before Commencement." 'Twas the night before commencement, and I still had grading to do. So naturally, I was playing Angry Birds, version 2. Our classrooms are silent, final projects turned in, study tables are finished. What a semester it's been. The students worked hard, and the faculty did too, creating homework and tests that were impossible to do. But somehow you managed. You built models, wrote code, worked through thousands of problems with solutions so bold. So will you remember the integral of x squared plus log y? Well, now that you're graduating, it's okay to ask AI. Now, I'll see you tomorrow as you walk to that stage. I'm so proud of you all. You've all made the grade. And I will finish with a quote from another great educator, Dr. Seuss. You have brains in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. Now, I'm afraid I have one last test for you guys. You ready? Who's the best dean in the state of Georgia? Dean Hatch! Thank you.
All right, let's give it up one more time for Dean Hatch. Come on, guys, you have to do better. I'm trying to. Okay. So moving along in the program, we definitely want our loved ones to, the graduates' loved ones to really see who all have played an integral role here at the university. And so we want to introduce our faculty and our staff in the department. We have a total of 21 faculty, 1 from physics, 4 from computer science, and 16 from mathematics. And so I'm just gonna have all our faculty stand all at once to be recognized. Can you please stand? So day in and day out, our faculty, they have worked tremendously to ensure whether it's outside of the classroom, study tables, being mentors, being advisors, helping with internship programs, helping with finding employment opportunities. And I'm actually proud to say on the behalf of the department that with our graduates, that we have over 60% of our graduates are going to be employed or attending a graduate program. So congratulations to our graduates. Congratulations to our faculty. And in no place did we all do it alone. It was the help of the institution. As Dr. Porter has mentioned, we have several stakeholders here at the university that also played a important role in assisting and making sure that our graduates are doing everything but going back home to mommy and daddy upon graduation. So moving on in the program, I will now call on our ACM president, Mr. Sharif Muhammad, and he serves, once again, we have a ACM machinery club here at the department, and he serves as the president of that club. So he will be introducing our speaker for today. And just a synopsis of our speakers, since instituting this graduation, one thing we emphasize and try to do is to bring back our alumni, those that have graduated and walked through these chairs that our graduates are walking through and now are professionally doing something in the community. So, Mr. Ali.
Good afternoon. Amiralca Johnson is a 23-year-old tech enthusiast from Albany, Georgia, whose passion for technology drives her to explore and contribute to the field's endless possibilities. For Amiralca, technology fuels global innovation and advancement, shaping her curiosity and commitment to a career in tech. Amiralca is a distinguished alumni of Albany State University, where she earned her Associates of Science degree in December 2018 at just 17 years old, followed by her Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science with a mathematics emphasis in May 2021 at 19 years of age. Demonstrating her dedication to lifelong learning, she pursued graduate studies and attained her Master's of Science in Software Engineering from Kennesaw State University in December 2022 at 21 years of age. Her academic journey continues as she aspires to earn a doctorate in artificial intelligence. Professionally, Amiralca's career spans diverse roles and locations. She started as an innovation solutions architect at Dell Boomi and also served as an information security architect at Wells Fargo. Returning to her roots at Albany State University, she took on multiple roles: data analytics with institutional research and effectiveness, instructor of computer science in the Department of Math, Computer Science, and Physics, study tables facilitator for academic support services, and facility mentor for undergraduate research. She also advises on IBM initiatives, NASA programs, and actively participates in projects with the Marine Corps Logistics Base of Albany and various grants activities. Recently, Amiralca advanced her career by accepting a role as a cybersecurity software engineer with the Department of Defense. Amiralca's mission is to drive technological advancement and aspire for the next generation, guided by the quote, "Be the change you want to see in the world." She empowers students to pursue STEM education and careers through mentorship, motivation, and dedication. She remains a beacon of innovation, striving to create a brighter and more technologically advanced future. Thank you.
Esteemed faculty and staff, proud families and friends, and most of all, the class of 2024 graduates. It is an absolute honor to speak before you all today for this momentous occasion. Today marks a celebration of achievement, resilience, and potential. We celebrate a triumphant journey of late-night problem-solving, equations that seemed unsolvable, and code that refused to compile until suddenly it did. We celebrate a milestone not just of achievement, but of transformation. Graduates, you have spent years acquiring knowledge, honing on skills, and discovering who you are. But beyond the degrees and accolades, you have proven your dedication, your curiosity, and your perseverance. These qualities have brought you to this moment and will serve you far beyond any campus or classroom. Now you stand on the edge of possibility, ready to enter a world eager for your talent, energy, and ideas. You are stepping into a world that needs you. You did not arrive here by accident. You have chosen disciplines that explore the very fabric of reality, the frontiers of logic, and the foundations of innovation. These fields demand not just intellect, but resilience, creativity, and a thirst for discovery. And you have succeeded. You are the problem solvers, the innovators, and the visionaries of tomorrow, and who will redefine what is possible. As you embark on your next journey, you will face a world full of possibilities, opportunities, and uncertainties. But remember this, you are a proud graduate of the unsinkable, indestructible Albany State University. You are a golden ram. Royal blue and gold soars through you. You are prepared. You have what it takes. Your education has given you more than just knowledge. It has given you the ability to think deeply, solve boldly, and imagine freely. It has given you a foundation to build upon, no matter where life takes you. My advice to you, be true to yourself. Define success on your terms and pursue what genuinely fulfills you. Let your journey be aligned with your values and passions. Your authentic path will be the most rewarding one. Trust yourself. You may not have the answers now, and that is okay. Life is not about knowing every step ahead of time. It is about being willing to take the first step, even in the uncertainties. Stay resilient. See setbacks as opportunities to improve rather than reasons to stop trying. Challenges are not roadblocks. They are opportunities to learn, grow, and improve. When things do not go as planned, remember how far you have come and what you are capable of. Remain curious. Never stop learning, exploring, and asking questions. Growth comes from seeking out new challenges and experiences. You are never too old or too experienced to learn. Do not be complacent. There is no limit where your career will take you. Step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when you tackle challenges that make you stretch. Make an impact. Whether in your career, your community, or your personal life, strive to leave things better than you found them. Even small acts of kindness and integrity can create a ripple effect far greater than you imagine. Make your mark everywhere you go. Continue building your network. Attend events and conferences to meet like-minded people. Leverage online platforms such as LinkedIn to engage with posts and insights. Join organizations and groups related to your interests in your profession. Give back. Do not forget to always give back and volunteer your time, support, expertise, and knowledge to Albany State University and your community. Whether it is financially, through mentorship, sharing your story, or participating in events. And most importantly, keep God first. As I close, today marks not just an end, but the beginning of a journey that will shape your future. This is your chance. Are you ready? Congratulations, class of 2024 graduates. The world awaits your brilliance.
So thank you, Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson, if you can approach the stage. So on behalf of the department, for those that don't know, Ms. Johnson has been very instrumental in our department. And yes, she is, while we're sad that she is leaving the city of Albany and embarking on a new adventure in DC, we, as the department, want to wish her nothing but the best and know that you have a family here, not only in the department, but in the city of Albany. So on behalf of the department, we want to present you with a token of our appreciation as a token of our love to you. All right, so the moment we have all been waiting for is the introduction of our Fall 2024 graduates. And I will call on my colleague, Professor Hepper Streeter, who is going to assist with calling our graduates.
Okay, so before we start to call our Fall 2024 candidates, I want to do something super special. Can the family and friends of the candidates please stand? All right, let's give everyone that's standing a round of applause. Candidates, let's give them a round of applause, because without them and their support, we wouldn't be here, right? All right, thank you all. You may be seated. Okay, at this time, we will acknowledge our Fall 2024 graduates. When I call your name, please stand and proceed to your left. Our first candidate is a CSCI bachelor's graduate, Stephanie Adaku. Cum laude. Next one, Jamoris Alford. Sharif Ali. Devon Clark. Ventavious Gilbert. Ashanti Hart. Shamari Howard. Corithian Love. Shania Newby. Anthony Strahm, cum laude. And he will be receiving a bachelor's in mathematics, and he has the highest ranking GPA for math. Shamar Swift. Nia Williams. Highest ranking GPA for computer science. Fumbi Williams, cum laude. Quintard Wright.
All right, let's give our graduates a round of applause. My apologies. All right, as stated, we want to recognize our highest ranking senior who will be wearing a medallion in addition to the stole tomorrow at commencement, and the highest ranking senior goes to Miss Nia Williams. Might need to get off. In addition, I want to recognize our highest ranking senior in the mathematics, and that goes to Mr. Anthony Strahan. One more time for our graduates. So we're almost done with the program, and the next recognition I would like, before I do so, I would like to call all our faculty on stage. All faculty. So to all parents, loved ones, grandparents, these are the faculty representing the math, computer science, and the physics department. But however, this presentation is to recognize one of our faculty, Professor Tanya Champagne. And Professor Tanya Champagne has served for the last 28 years both at Darden and Albany State University. And she is officially retiring after this semester. And so we would like to recognize Professor Tanya Champagne for your dedication, for your hard work, for your love, for your care, both to our colleagues and particularly to our students. She has done tremendously as an online faculty, working off hours, on hours, in the midnight hours, ensuring that our students get all the resources that they need to ensure success. And so today, in addition to celebrating our graduates, we celebrate Professor Champagne and we say thank you. Thank you for all you've done. Thank you for all you've done for the department. Thank you for all you've done for the College of Arts and Sciences. Thank you for all you have done for the institution, and most importantly, thank you for all you've done for our students and the community. Thank you. So as a tradition, we usually call on one of our graduating seniors to give a word of inspiration both to our graduating seniors, their fellow graduates, in addition to the underclassmen, particularly those that are here in attendance. So without further ado, I'd like to call one of the graduating seniors, Mr. Devon Clark.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Devon Clark. I'm a graduating senior here at Albany State. I'm from Orlando, Florida, and graduation is here. First off, I want to thank God. Without him, none else would be possible, and there was a lot of nights where it felt impossible, so thank the Lord. To the graduates, to the parents of the graduates, thank you for your children. Over the last 4 years, I've got to know some of the funniest people I've met in my life. Not only are these people hilarious, but a lot of these people on this stage are some of the brightest people I've ever met. Growing over these last 4 years with them, doing work together, late nights, roaming the campus at 4 a.m., just doing nothing and having fun. I don't think I would trade any of these people on this stage or ask for a better experience than I did here at Albany State. For those who are undergrad, for the next people that are up, the biggest thing I feel that everybody should work on and develop for this next stage of life is asking for help. Not only asking for help when situations go wrong or problems arise or just we need some clarity, but asking for help when you're not okay, when you're not there. I know from my time in college, my first 2 years were really rough. I lost my grandpa my first month in campus, said the very next semester I lost my mom to COVID. So a lot of rough times, a lot of sitting in the room, not knowing what to do, but if it wasn't for the support system I had and the friends I have around me, I wouldn't be here where I am today. Like I said, times where finishing felt impossible, grades were bad, just everything. Even I used to play football and coming to a situation with football where I didn't want to play anymore, I didn't have no love for it. The people that you keep close and around you in your circle are the people that are going to lift you up the most in your times of need. And there's many times where you say you don't need it, you don't want it, you're okay, and it's those who know you best that know when to step in and take their word for it over yours. Keep your circle close, keep the people you love around you, hold them tightly. Time is never guaranteed and it moves like that. 4 years have gone by in a flash, and I still look back every day and think about every memory that I've made during this time period. Thank you all for coming today. Thank you all for supporting your loved ones. To all the graduates and my classmates on stage, I love y'all. I hope in this next journey in life, y'all are treated well. I hope nothing but prosperity for y'all. I don't think there's any group I can see that could do better than any of y'all on this stage. Albany State is a fantastic university. The computer science department is a great department, and there's only one class of 2024, so just so y'all know. Thank y'all.
All right, and so in closing, I'd like to recognize just a vote of thanks to a couple of different categories, different sectors, once again, that definitely help play an important role in the success of our students, success of this department, our stakeholders here at the university, individuals and personnel from the cabinet, President's cabinet. Would you please stand and be recognized? Thank you. To our administration, Provost Dr. Porter, our Dean Dr. Hatch, and other leadership personnel that are here as well. I'd like to vote of thanks. This is my guy here, Mr. Reggie Christian. And for those that don't know Mr. Christian, he works 24/7. And you will see him at graduation tomorrow. He is in and out of all the events, taking pictures, making sure that our marketing piece are out there for other students to have the opportunity to enroll here at Albany State University. So, Mr. Christian, thank you very much. Ms. Williams is in the back, and she is working the video. Our appreciation and our appreciation goes out to you as well. The IT department, our facility, Ms. D, who works to make sure our facility is up to par and conducive for learning for our students as they come into the classroom. Last but not least is you, the parents, and our relatives. And so we thank you all once again. You guys are our biggest marketers. And so we want to make sure that when you guys entrust your loved ones to us, we are giving the best product out there to the community. So thank you once again for entrusting Albany State University, particularly the Department of Math, Computer Science, and Physics, to impart knowledge, both soft skills and technical skills, to make sure that they are successful in the community. And last but not least, we will be eating outside, so thank you to Aladdin for assisting in the refreshments. So once again, I will close at 1:49. Thank you all for attending this beautiful ceremony. All the best.